Alright, let's get this done.
Just do it real
No,
fast.
you gotta look at this way. I can't
I'm
see.
making sure it fits.
I will. Ready, go. Okay, ready?
No, I'm not ready.
You have to be ready.
Do you want me to do it with you?
No, come on.
Make a mess, guys.
We're not. Okay, ready?
Huh?
Oh, look. It's going. It's going. Shove it farther. You gotta get it all. She's like, that's moral support. Holding her mouth open for you. Look, yeah. How can you chew it all while it's in there? That's disgusting. That's beautiful.
My turn.
That will be shown to future potential mates.
Your kids, about 25
Stop.
years.
She made it. Don't do that. Same thing. Because your mouth, I know, ain't going to fit.
I know, but I can shove the ice cream on me. I want one. Mama, now you have to record me.